The hips are really the center and origin of most movement, and we're going to show you how to begin to work with them using the RAD Roller. There's over 30 muscles that connect to the pelvis, so we're just going to scratch the surface here and work on some of the superficial muscles. We're going to work on the adductors first, which go from the pelvis to the inside of the knee. Use your RAD block for this one. You're going to sit down and lean over so you can place one sit bone on top of the block. Once you're in that position, the roller goes under and you can use pressure and cross friction to begin to unwind the muscle. The adductors are powerful extensors of the hip, but tend to receive little attention in the mobility department because they can be hard to stretch. When they're tight, you lose extension in the hip, and that can make your back hurt, and it can also throw your knees and ankles out of alignment. The glute complex is another powerful extensor of the hip, and it wraps from the sacrum all the way to the front of the hip. Sit down with your hands behind you and start pressing into the roller. Work from the back of the hip pocket and roll up to the top of the pelvis and back down to the deep portion of the hip pocket. Then move and repeat. You want to go from the back of the hip all the way to the front. It's nearly useless to try to pinpoint one muscle because the hip is so layered you'll probably be working 5 different ones each time. So focus on range of motion and tight tissue. The hips are workhorses that need regular tension to keep everything moving fluidly. Since most of us spend so much time in chairs through the day, these muscles actually tend to get matted together by the fascia, and they slowly use that articulate 3D range of motion that the hips are known for. Go ahead and switch sides to balance things out. For more tips and tricks, visit radroller.com.